Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your card number in Apple Wallet. Now, whether you have a debit card or a credit card linked to your Apple Wallet, I'm going to show you exactly how to find it. We're going to look in two different places. If it's not in the first place, it will definitely be in that second place. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to take your finger and swipe down and just type in wallet and open up the Apple Wallet app. Now, within the Apple Wallet app, I'm going to use my Fidelity credit card as an example. So tap on the card, and at the top right there, you can see the card with a 1, 2, 3 next to it. Tap on that, and it will ask to use your Face ID or to enter in your password. In this case, you might be able to see your credit card number directly in here. But in my case, it just says Apple Pay and has the last 4 of a digital card associated with this Fidelity card. If you do see it in here, great. You can basically be done with this video. But if you don't see it in there, it'll definitely be in this second location. So exit out of there and open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down from here. Tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Scroll down again, tap on Autofill Cards. Again, you'll use your Face ID to authenticate this, and here you can see is that Fidelity credit card. Now, I'm not going to tap on it because it will show me my exact card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV on the back. So just tap on your card there, and you'll be able to see that credit card or debit card number. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.